Hi guys, in this video we're going to go over how I have a Roblox Voice Chat without ID on my mobile. Now, the first thing I want you to do is launch Roblox. Come at the bottom right, click on these three dots and it says more, click on that. And then I want you to just scroll down until you see settings. Okay, click on settings. Now from here I want you to click on account info. And as you can see right here, what I basically did, my phone number, I verified that. My email address, I verified that as well. Okay, make sure those two are verified, right? You just use the code and you put that in, request a code, and that will work. Now, here, as you can see, my age group, you need to be at least 13 plus. So, you need to make sure your birth date was set to at least 13 or older. And if you can't change it, you will need to, of course, create a new account with the correct age. Okay, and you can also go ahead and verify your age if you want, but that was not needed for me to use voice chat. Just make sure you do it right the correct time for the first time. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.